Are you looking for effective biology tutorials? Do you wish to learn biology in the easiest way to understand? You are at the right place. Welcome to BioLearn, an online learning platform for biology topics. I am AKSHAY your biology facilitator at BioLearn. All our biology videos are customized as per the standards recommended by different educational boards in India. Our tutorial videos are topic specific, easy to understand, engaging and effective so that you get the most benefit out of them. If you wish to get all our video updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get all the future notifications. Share our videos with anyone who is interested in biology because sharing is caring. Give your feedback about videos in the comments so that we can give you better biology tutorials. Thank you.